Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Aries zodiac sign people. I'm gonna tell you all how your year 2022 would be. This video is for those people who were born between 21st March and 19th April. So if you are born between 21st March and 19th April, then this video is for you. Well, Aries zodiac sign people, Aries sun sign people, seeing the planetary positions, seeing the transit of planets in the year 2022, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that you have been remaining stagnant and static for many years now. You have been trying a lot to move forward in your life. You have been trying to achieve success in your life. You have been trying to see victory and triumph in your life. But you haven't been able to see that success, see that prosperity in your life. You have tried very hard to overcome your problems and difficulties, yet you haven't been successful in doing that. But in the year 2022, let me tell you all that you are gonna overcome all those difficulties, all those problems, and you are gonna move forward with your life. Your life has been boring and monotonous until now, but in the year 2022, it would become an adventure. With your positive thoughts, you will be able to overcome any sort of hurdle, any sort of barrier, any sort of obstacle in your life, whether it concerns your business, your job, your health, your marriage, your married life, your children, your business, your job, etc., etc., etc. So, in the year 2022, you will be able to overcome any sort of problem, any sort of difficulty in your life with your own effort and intelligence. You will start to walk on that path to success in the year 2022. You will see that you will get opportunities for yourself in the year 2022. You will have some major breakthroughs in the year 2022. And with your talents, abilities and skills, you will be able to see some success in the year 2022. All you need to do is make a deliberate, conscious and a determined effort to overcome all your problems and difficulties. You need to be proactive in your approach towards life. Towards your goals and dreams. And if you become proactive in the year 2022, you will see yourself progressing in the year 2022. You have been brooding over your past too much. You have been thinking about your past failures, your past disappointments too much. And hence you are not able to move forward in your life. Just because you have had failures and disappointments in the past, that doesn't mean that you will fail in the year 2022. I am telling you that you are gonna win in the year 2022. You may face some sort of defeats in the year 2022, but let me categorically tell you all that you will not be defeated. Let me tell you all in a loud and clear manner, vociferously, that you will not be defeated in the year 2022. So, if you have any sort of ideas, any sort of plans in your mind and you haven't implemented those ideas and plans in your life, then it is time for you all to implement those ideas and plans in the year 2022. And you will see yourself growing. You will see yourself prospering in the year 2022. Well, this is what I wanted to tell all you Aries zodiac sign people for the year 2022. Let me now start predicting about the Aries sun sign people. Let me start with people who are doing a job or are finding a job for themselves. Let me tell you all that those people who are trying to find a job for themselves, this year is gonna be a lucky year for y'all. You are gonna get a job opportunity in the year 2022. And most probably you will join that company in the year 2022, probably after April 2022. And the company which you will be joining in the year 2022, you will be working for that company for a long time. You wouldn't be leaving this job in a jiffy in the year 2022. Well, for those people who are doing a job, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be a great year for you all. You are gonna see sufficient progress in your job in the year 2022. You are gonna excel in your job in the year 2022. The great work which you will be doing for your company, for your organization will yield profits for you in the year 2022 and in the future. I mean, this hard work of yours will form a basis for your future promotions, for your future success in the company where you are working in currently. You could also get a better job opportunity for yourself in the year 2022. Well, for business people, this year is gonna be an okay sort of year for y'all. Neither too good nor too bad. It is gonna be a normal business year for y'all. You are gonna make sufficient profits in your business, which will take care of your office expenses, your business expenses, as well as your house expenses. Don't plan to expand your business in the year 2022. Just focus on your business which you are doing currently. And if you wish to make some investments in your business in the year 2022, you must do it after April 2022. Well, on the health front, this year is gonna be a tremendous year for y'all. All your past illnesses, all your past diseases are gonna come to an end in the year 2022. You are gonna find a cure to that illness, that disease in the year 2022. You are gonna find a medicine or a home remedy which will cure you in the year 2022. Your past illnesses, your past diseases will be a thing of the past. And for those people who are having a chronic disease, let me tell you all, you also would see great health in the year 2022. All your complications arising from that chronic disease will vanish in the year 2022. However, the parts of the body, the organs of the body which you need to take care of is your kidneys, your sexual organs, your digestive system, your liver, your eyes and your teeth. If you face any sort of problems regarding these parts, these organs of the body, then you need to give special attention to it. Well, for people who are in a romantic relationship, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be a very tough year for y'all. You and your love partner are gonna see a lot of problems for yourself in the year 2022. You are gonna face opposition from your near and dear ones, your loved ones in the year 2022. You and your love partner's reputation might be spoiled in the year 2022 in the society where you are living. There would be a lot of friction between you and your love partner in the year 2022. But my suggestion to you all would be hold on to this relationship of yours, because sometime later this relationship would again become very normal. I mean, it would again become better and good for you. Well, for students, this year is gonna be a fantastic year for you all. You are gonna regain that past focus, that past concentration which you had lost in the previous year. You are gonna regain that focus and concentration in the year 2022. You are gonna be able to grasp, understand and comprehend things better in the year 2022. I mean, in regard to your studies. And if you are appearing for any sort of competitive exams or any sort of exams in the year 2022, especially after April 2022, you will see that you will pass those exams with flying colors. I mean, y'all are gonna score very well in those exams. The only source of mass distraction for y'all would be your electronic gadgets. I mean, your computer, your laptop, your smartphone, your iPad, your iPhone, your smartphone, etc., etc., etc. So, apart from your studies, don't use these electronic gadgets. I mean, using these electronic gadgets apart from your studies will be a sheer waste of your time. Well, for married people, this year is gonna be a very tough year for y'all. You will see that there would be a lot of misunderstandings between you and your spouse in the year 2022. There would be complete disharmony between you and your spouse in the year 2022. And the reason for this would be that your near or dear ones, your loved ones, your friends might try to create some sort of ill feeling in you for your spouse or vice versa. I'm not saying that y'all will be separated in the year 2022, but I'm definitely saying that there will be some major problems in your married life in the year 2022. Well, for people who are in the stock market, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be an awesome year for y'all. Y'all are gonna see a lot of profits on your investments which you had made in the previous years. You are gonna see a lot of profits on those stocks which you had purchased in the previous years. And if you see some profits for yourself, my suggestion to y'all would be book those profits in the year 2022. Take some money off the table in the year 2022. And for those people who are gambling in the stock market, my suggestion to y'all would be, please do not gamble in the year 2022, because there is a strong chance of you losing money in gambling in the stock market or anywhere else. If you wish to invest in the stock market, my suggestion to y'all would be, do it in tranches, not in one go. I mean, you could invest your money weekly or monthly in the year 2022. Well, for people who are in debt, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be a very tough year for y'all. You will find it very difficult to pay your EMIs, your installments in the year 2022. The reason for this would be very obvious. You will have some shortage of money which will not help you in paying your EMIs, your installments. There could be some serious problems with your creditors in the year 2022. They might serve you a legal notice in the year 2022. Hence, you will become very troubled in the year 2022 because of this. Well, for those people who are wanting a fresh loan in the year 2022, my suggestion to you all would be, please go for that loan after 2022. Aries zodiac sign people, Aries sun sign people, I want to tell you all something just now. Well, if you have been facing any sort of problems in your life, if you have been facing difficulties in your life continuously, I mean, you think that your problems and difficulties are never ending and you want to solve your problems in the year 2022, then I want to tell you all about a remedy just now. All you have to do is give 16 rupees each to 17 different poor people. And additionally, you will have to serve a pet bottle of a black beverage to 17 of those different poor people to whom you have given that 16 rupees each. And lastly, you will have to donate a black blanket or a black umbrella or a black garment to one poor person. Well, buy a black cola beverage, I mean a Pepsi, a Coca-Cola or a Thumbs Up. Well, all the 3 steps of this remedy have to be done on a Saturday, and you will have to do this for 5 consecutive Saturdays. Well, if you do this remedy, then this remedy is gonna protect you from all the dangers in the year 2022. And it is also gonna solve all your previous problems of your life. Well, Aries zodiac sign people, Aries sun sign people, here is something else for y'all. I wanna tell y'all that I make a very special prayer box and a very special amulet, a pendant, a locket for all you Aries sun sign people. If you have been facing any sort of problems and difficulties in your life, if you have been facing predicaments and ordeals in your life, if you have been facing sorrows, miseries and worries in your life, if you have been facing barriers, hurdles and obstacles in your life, and you think that you have tried hard enough to overcome all these problems and difficulties without any success, then these remedies are for you. You can also ask me to do some special prayers for you or ask for a Vastu visit. Well, if you install this prayer box in your house or wear this amulet, pendant, locket around your neck, then these remedies are gonna help you to boost your luck in your life. I mean, it is gonna help you to earn more money in your life. It is gonna show you success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then these remedies will help you to rise up once again in your life, and it will make you run towards that thing called success, which we all want. Well, these remedies which I'm talking about are godly remedies, are religious remedies, and these remedies can be utilized by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. I am talking about that God who has created this universe, who has invented this universe and all the things in it, including us. Well, if there were different gods who had created this universe, who had invented this universe, then the color of the human blood would be different in different human beings. But that is not the case. The color of the human blood is red in all the human beings of this planet Earth. Hence, you will understand that there is only one creator, one inventor of this universe, and that is the Almighty God. Well, the name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. That doesn't matter. But basically, we are all worshipping that one God. We are all loving that one God. Hence, I can confidently tell you all that these remedies, this prayer box, this amulet can be utilized by any person of any religion. Well, this pretty much completes my general predictions about all you Aries zodiac sign people. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And if you wish to boost your luck in your life, if you want to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to increase your luck in your life, then my remedies, my prayers, my Vastu remedies are for you. These remedies, these prayers will help you to boost your luck in your life. It is gonna show you success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna make you earn more money in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great year of 2022. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.